By the way, this African dress was sent to me by a Nigerian friend from Lagos. Yeah, and together with my friend on my birthday. So he's also my friend in TikTok and live viewer. Yeah, so this from Nigeria. So guys, I will continue my story. I told you it's a story. It's a story. Yeah. So from the African culture, it changed me a lot. Because before I'm a crybaby.
You're a crybaby?
Yeah, I'm a crybaby before. But when I was together with the African people, they teach me how to become strong. Wala really. I will just tell like that because when I was together with African, teach me how to be strong and not too much emotional. Because before I'm too much emotional. Because you know Filipina, you know already. If you were going to research Filipinas, most especially, we are dramatic actress. We are born dramatic actress. But when I was together with African vibe or Africa, yeah. I learned how to be disciplined. Number one, you know, I'm too much. That number one, I changed for myself because in our country, I keep on telling the story about this story. In our country, it's like man and ladies are fair. Yeah. If what men can do, women can do. Yeah. If you can work, I will work. You cannot tell me I will not work if taking the home. I will surely tell you, no, it's not allowed for me. I will work. I will earn for my money. It's like that. And if you are angry, I'm angry also.
Can you hear the Shatawali music playing in the background?
Yeah, I'm hearing it. So guys, they are now vibing with the Shatawali song. But it's more good if they will play
This one is called Ayo. Ayo. Ayo ba yung bakit? Pa. Shout out to Shatawali. Shout out to Summer Flex. Shout out to Kwame Yogo. Shout out to all the SM fans. Shout out to Mahmoud back in Ghana. Ashoma Day State. Shout out to all the brothers in the booth. Shout out to everybody.
So how you greet Ghana? How you greet good evening in Ghana?
Majo.